You do everything right. You go to bed early, you log a full 8 hours of solid sleep, and yet you wake up, look in the mirror, and see heavy, dark bags under your eyes. Clinically, this is called periorbital edema. Because the tissue under your eyes is some of the absolute thinnest on your entire body, any slight swelling instantly casts a massive dark shadow. It drags down your features, making you look tired and aged, completely regardless of how well rested you actually feel. Take a look at this cross-section of the under-eye anatomy. Most people assume an eye bag is a surface-level skin issue, but as shown, beneath that extremely thin outer epidermal layer, there is a distinct, enclosed pocket of fluid resting directly above the bone. People spend thousands of dollars on concealers and thick layers of cosmetics trying to paint over that shadow. It is incredibly frustrating to buy product after product, hoping one of them will finally work, only to wash your face at night and see the exact same swelling staring back at you. We are trying to solve a physical engineering problem with paint. Under-eye bags are a matter of fluid dynamics, liquid trapped in a confined, microscopic space, not a superficial skin blemish. This is exactly why common household remedies fail. Pressing a frozen spoon or cold cucumber slices might feel refreshing, but it does absolutely nothing to alter the physical volume of liquid trapped beneath the muscle. The same limitation applies to $100 eye creams. In this updated cross-section, topical cream molecules rest entirely on the surface barrier. They are physically too large to penetrate into the enclosed fluid pocket below. They simply sit on top. Out of sheer desperation, people start aggressively rubbing the area or pressing ice blocks directly against the delicate skin. This actually triggers a defensive inflammatory response. Your body senses the severe friction and cold as localized trauma, sending even more blood and fluid to the area to protect it, making the puffiness visibly worse. The modern beauty industry relies on this cycle. They profit continually by selling you temporary treatments for the visible symptom on the skin's surface, while entirely ignoring the structural trap beneath it. To actually clear that swelling, we have to look past the skin entirely and tap into the complex network operating directly beneath it, your lymphatic system. Your lymphatic system is essentially your body's waste disposal network, but unlike your circulatory system, which has a heart to pump blood around the clock, lymphatic fluid relies entirely on muscle movement to circulate. When you sleep, you stop moving, leading to lymphatic stagnation. Look at this microscopic view. When you lie completely flat for hours, gravity stops pulling fluid downward. Without movement or gravity, clear lymphatic liquid begins slowly seeping and swelling outward beneath the highly delicate, translucent membrane under your eye. The liquid simply pools where it sits. If you eat a meal high in sodium late in the evening, your body aggressively retains water to balance the salt. That trapped fluid pool multiplies in volume right as you lie down for the night. Preventing the morning swelling requires a way to manually drain this trapped fluid pool before you fall asleep. You can physically bypass this blockage using a specific manual technique to force the infraorbital fluid to drain down and out of the face. We need to follow the exact physiological pathways to do this. This facial map shows the required drainage route. Starting from the inner corner of the under eye, you trace a sweeping path across the cheekbone, moving outward and then descending straight down toward the jawline. Success with this technique depends on the precise physical pressure you apply. Because lymphatic vessels are microscopic and sit just under the surface, you use incredibly gentle, rhythmic tapping with your ring fingers. You are not dragging or pulling the skin. If you press too hard, the process fails immediately. The glowing pathways flash red, and the flow halts completely. Excessive surface pressure physically crushes those delicate lymphatic vessels shut, trapping the fluid all over again. Executing this correctly takes about 3 to 4 minutes of continuous, light tapping along those pathways. Do this immediately after you wash your face at night, right before you get into bed. Mastering this specific physical manipulation provides a mechanical, scientifically grounded way to empty the fluid trap before morning. If you perform this drainage sequence correctly tonight, you will notice a distinct lack of tension under your eyes when you look in the mirror tomorrow morning. The heavy, swollen shadows will be reduced. This relies on an understanding of dependent edema, which is the medical term for gravity causing fluid to pool in the lowest parts of the body. By clearing the pathways before bed, you give the fluid an open route to escape. We can weaponize gravity to finish the job while you sleep. Look at this cinematic blueprint illustration. By elevating your head slightly, using an extra pillow to create a gentle upward incline, you use the downward pull of gravity to actively draw fluid away from the facial cavity. You identify the fluid trap in the evening, you manually clear the lymphatic pathways with light tapping, and you use a slight sleep incline to keep the fluid moving downward overnight. The biological result is deflated, smooth tissue when you wake up. Now that you understand the facial engineering behind these shadows, you have the tools to address them. Execute this lymphatic protocol tonight. Set your pillows on an incline and drop a comment tomorrow morning to share what you see in the mirror. If understanding the biology of your body helped you today, like this video and subscribe to the channel for more physiological breakdowns.